Tell us a little bit about the story that got you to Lesvos and how you ended up making that drawing, Ty.
The painting's background is in Lesvos, the island in Greece. It's of a courthouse. Some of our friends, they were being held on trial for helping refugees. This is basically the view from outside the courthouse. So I tried to capture as much of the likeness of the painting.
And tell me, Ty, did you make a lot of that while sitting there, or did you do a couple of sketches and then bring it back home and work on it?
This took me, I think, like 30 or 40 minutes, around like an hour. I use watercolor.
Amazing, like your travel pack of art materials.
Yeah.
I suppose it serves as an important document of that moment in history, you know, creating this amazing artwork that is not just a beautiful artwork in its own, tells a really important story. I would say that you spend a lot of time drawing, do you, Ty?
Yeah, definitely. I have a big binder of artwork, maybe like this thick.
And it sounds like you live an exciting life, so I imagine your drawings are quite interesting as well. I would love at some point to see all of your drawings together, that binder of drawings. It sounds amazing. So, Tadhg, I am so delighted to tell you that of all the thousands of entries in the 8 to 11-year-old category, you have been selected to win first prize. Congratulations.
Wow.
You won't be able to get here and collect the award. Have you nominated someone to collect the award on your behalf?
Yes, my best friend, art companion, amazing Grace. So we do a lot of art together. We're also best friends. So I just think that Grace would be a very appropriate person to collect this award.
Wow, this is so cool.